you guys come over here, you guys will be able to see that it seems off. So that line from the headlight, you guys can see here, it's just a different approach, and I'm not liking that. Alright, so since I don't like that approach, what I'm going to do here, you're going to see me some sanding. I'm trying to see if I can square it out for it to look proper. But eventually I need to just cut it down a little bit more, use some of the other more aggressive tools in order to get the right shape. If you stood in front of it, it would look nice and square, but if you stood to the side, you could tell that it was at a different angle, and it was just bothering me. And this is some of the stuff that kept making this such a long process. But let's get to it. Let me see what I can get done. Alright guys, I just want to remind you these are short videos. I want to drop them so you guys can see what's going on with the build, but I do want to remind you guys I will be dropping more frequent videos now, starting with the gel coat, the primer, and then the intense sanding that we had to go through for that portion. So please stay tuned.
Follow, subscribe, hug your loved ones, and make sure you guys are staying tuned. Follow this shit, man. Hard work pays off. Let's go.